When people think of the words luxury vinyl, they normally hear expensive. Did we just describe you? If so, you're in for a pleasant surprise. Hold on, we're not talking about expensive flooring? I gelled my hair for this. Assume I don't need these freshly cooked mussels either. Okay, all right. Give me 5 minutes. So, it turns out luxury vinyl is budget friendly. In fact, luxury vinyl can be stunningly close to hardwood in terms of appearance and comes in at a fraction of the price. It's also durable and waterproof, making it a better bang for buck alternative when it comes to the material. But what about when it comes to installation? Well, luxury vinyl's installation costs will be much closer to hardwood. In terms of what your exact cost will be, there's a lot of variables to consider. For instance, are there a lot of complicated corners or convoluted closets that require concentration, caution, and care? What about steep stairs that require scrupulous study? On the other hand, maybe you're living in one giant square room with nothing in it that's essentially an empty canvas. Sounds really boring to live in, but that would be an installer's dream. So while every home is different, one thing is the same. We'll find you a beautiful new floor that fits your style, your budget, and taste, giving you a customized estimate and measure. What? You can't just let these fine delicacies go to waste. That's a garlic butter sauce.